So this exhibition is all about a project funded by India Foundation for Arts under their Project 560. The idea of the project was to identify the vegetation cover and the access of public to the green spaces. This was kind of a legacy that we wanted to carry forward or to build on the foundation work that has been done by Dr. Harini Nagendra and her team. This public artwork is a testament of the tree species that we grew up or that we had stories about, where we are looking into their ecological, economical, cultural and medicinal role, and we also have some fun fact to share with everyone.
Project is Project 560. One of the components is looking at vegetation across different urban parks of Bangalore. We are also looking at the juxtaposition of the nature that surrounds us and who are these parks for, because Monica Kaushik, who is the lead investigator on this project, along with me, Ananya Mukherjee, and a sociologist, Anuja Mukherjee, we were all interested in how we envision public parks. So it's not just the trees, it's not just the animals, but it's also the people who are allowed inside and what are the restrictions on the same. So what is the access? What is the story with the access behind it? We ended it with a collaboration with artist Richa Kedia. She is a botanical illustrator. She painted 20 of the most common vegetation species that we see in these parks.
So the whole idea was Bangalore is a garden city, and trees and gardens and the flowers form a very important part of the city. So I think the first time you come here, that's what impresses about every person. There are flowers, and it's probably the greenest city in India today. And that's what we tried to capture is different trees that you see. I think the most commonest ones, which were identified by my co-partners here. And we tried to paint, I tried to paint them as well as their importance. So like looking at a tree, what all you can see that, you know, the birds, the butterflies and other insects which dwell upon it, because it is shared by so many other species besides humans. So we tried to I've tried to capture that, you know, the other organisms which occupy the tree, as well as its cultural impact, the economic impact and the medicinal impact, because that is what, as in, I think the typically you look at a tree and you also want to capture that, you know, what all uses we can derive from it, because we have been deriving so many uses from the trees for so many centuries. So this is what, like, these artworks were created for 20 common trees, and all of them were in watercolors. We've tried to capture the essence of it in text also, in English and Kannada, so that, I mean, most people can understand it, as well as the final artwork which was created in Lal Bagh here. This was in acrylic, so this was done over a day in on Saturday there, and painting with live audience in front, and, you know, people coming in and joining in. So the children were obviously very happy to join in and paint all the way. Adults were a bit hesitant, and how people interact with art as at public spaces was also very interesting. It's different, I think, for different cultural backgrounds, different parts of the city, etc. So yeah, overall it was a very interesting and enriching process. I hope you enjoy the exhibition, and it does help people, you know, understand trees better.